Hi everyone, this is Brad. Today we're taking a look at some coding resources. In this case, we're looking at Our Code or studio.code.org/courses. Of course, all of these are available to go ahead in and have students or anyone go in and try them out. But in this case, we're going to go in and we're going to create our own classroom. So I'm going to select sign in, and I'm going to Google school district where I live. So I'm continuing with Google, but you have to make your own choices. I'm going to choose my name, and in this case, I'm going to select allow. Okay, so what I'd like to do now is I'd like to go ahead and add a new classroom section. So I'm going to select create a section. You can see your options that you have here. It is up to you. I'm going to go into Google Classroom. Now you may need to allow Google Classroom. I've done this in the past, so mine's going to come up right away. So just make sure to allow and go back in and repeat those steps. Now we're going to choose a section. And what we're going to do, you'll have to choose the grade. So let's say it's third grade. And you can see the courses. It's up to you. You do not have to choose any. You can just decide later. I'm going to have mine go into course C. And then you can see your other options down here as well. It's up to you. I'm going to keep them both as yes and select save. Now I'll show you what it looks like from a student point of view. Okay, so when your students go in, of course, log in using Google or however it is you have it set up. Now these options here are some unplugged activities, which of course they can try out without using the computer. And then there's a video here, which is good to show as a whole class. And then my daughter just did this the other day. You can see that the progress has been saved. So she's already done this. So she's already done step 2. So we're going to go into 3, which is the practice. You can go ahead in. Of course, you can always skip ahead to any of these. So in this case, what will need to happen is you'll need to click them in and then just make sure to go ahead and run it. You can always have the students, they can always see what the code really looks like instead of Blockly. Make sure they run it. Okay, so there you have it. It's a pretty nice, simple to use. Now, if students are doing this and they want to change something, what they can do, they can always select the hamburger or the 3 lines up top, go into their dashboard, and what they can do is they can go ahead and select find a course if they'd like to. And then these other options are available as well. So they could just select learn more. And if they'd like, they could go into course D right here just by selecting course D. And then you have all these other options as well, or they can start wherever they'd like to. So if you do have any questions, please let me know. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.